Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share with you the MOLESKIN 2024 weekly planner. So whether you're a constant planner or you're just looking to be a little bit more organized, this is a great journal going into the new year. I actually used this same journal back in 2023 and it's held up really well. It hasn't, the spine has stayed together and it's kept me super organized throughout the year. So let's take a look inside. This journal is super durable, has a nice hard cover, with a little bit of give to it. This version comes in the myrtle green, which I think looks really nice. Has the elastic band that keeps the journal together when you're carrying it around. And the journal is organized in a weekly fashion. So on the left side, there's Monday down to Sunday, and then some lined paper on the right. Comes with a nice bookmark to keep it organized and on the right page. And the paper is very high quality ivory, thick paper, which never bleeds through, which I really appreciate. The back flap has a pouch, and when you order it, it also comes with some stickers. So the stickers are great for kind of organizing specific events. There's like a suitcase, mountains, pin drops, arrows, and an assortment of letters, which are great for kind of organizing in a more colorful manner. So the MOLESKIN 2024 journal is great. I use it every day at work, and if you're looking for something to stay organized in the new year, check out the MOLESKIN 2024 weekly planner. Thank you for watching.